1 out of a million doesn't sum it up. I trade my gold and silver for a treasure map to find your love. You're the diamond, I'm the rough. Falling sand, I'm sinking in your hourglass. Spending every second trying to pour my heart into your hands. If it's you, I'll take the chance. Think I just found my lucky charm twist on.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Grace and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we have a vlog and I'm so excited about this vlog because in this vlog I'm going to be glamming someone up, and then we have a photo shoot because it's Esther's birthday on Sunday. If you are new to my channel, you might not know Esther, but Esther is like my sister to me. Yeah. And I've known her for like 9 years. And if you are old to my channel, you know Esther by now. So yeah, so Esther's birthday is on Sunday and we are doing the photo shoot today, and I'm the makeup artist. So for you guys that don't know, I'm actually a doctor based in Nigeria. I did makeup school in my year 5 and year 6, and I also did a lash training in my housemanship year. That was last year. So I do all those things. If I was not doing medicine, I would have been in the beauty industry. Yeah, so I have arranged everything for the makeup. Let me just show you guys. I have arranged everything for the makeup, and I just realized that I have so many like eyelash. I said eyelash. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. Like, what am I using? I have like 1. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like, I have so many eyeshadow palettes and I'm quite surprised. Like, I didn't even realize I had so many. Then I have 2 powder palettes. I have long one and a short one, and then I have this blush set from Girl, and I still have another product from Girl, this lipstick stain, and then this contour is not from Girl anyway. But yeah, I have this Avoir setting powder, loose powder, and then I have Beauty by AD. If you guys don't know, I love Diadem. She is one of the Real Housewives of Lagos season 3 wives. Like, I love her so much. I'll be following her even before Real Housewives of Lagos. And then I have some brushes. I don't even know where some of my brushes have gone to, and I have my very soft beauty sponge, and then my lipsticks, and then my setting spray. Yeah, basically that is what I have right now. Back to me. So the most exciting thing of today is food. I woke up to see food. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have jollof rice and boiled egg. I woke up and I realized that they made jollof rice. Ella is going to school today. They're on holiday, but she's going to school today because she has one competition. So they are drilling her for it. So, hi. So they woke up early to make food for her. So just make food for everyone at once. There's nothing as you waking up and food is waiting for you. I'm so excited. Let me eat this and then have my bath and then wait for Esther to come so that I'll be ready for her. Yeah. So you guys. I'm just so happy. Look at who we have here. Our late comer. Like, she was going to start makeup by 11, but she came by what time? Past 11. 16 minutes past 11.
Forgive me.
Nobody forgive me. Hey. Alright, so let's transform this beautiful face. Your mouth. Oh my god.
Where did you go? You left me too soon. I wake up alone every night missing you. I don't know where you went off to, far out of this world or deep into the blue.
Hey, great job. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Lambert, that is your name, Abby. Yes. Say hi to my vlog. Are you serious? Oh my god, thank you for subscribing without me begging you. We need people like you in this world though. So this is the beautiful Esther. Don't worry, we'll fix the rig when she's ready. Emmanuel, what do you have to say about your auntie?
She's ugly.
She's ugly. Come on, get her from here. Esther, what about you?
She's as beautiful as a dove.
She's as
And
beautiful
a sunflower.
as a sunflower.
Hibiscus. And a rose.
Okay. Only you, hibiscus, rose, sunflower. You not go easy for Ezekiel.
Where did you go? You left me too soon. I wake up alone every night missing you. I don't know where you went off to. Far out of this world or deep into the blue. Time goes by too slowly.
We are finally done with the shoot. We give God all the glory. Let's come and show face now. With your fine clothes. No, come this way. I'm facing it this way. Okay. Calm down, Joe. Come to my own side. Like, come. Hey, you cannot understand English for afternoon. Like, bend down to my own side. Okay. Hi, Siri. You can't be Siri. Get out. But you look fine. You look good. After a successful birthday photo shoot, we scraped the pot with epan kuko. And everybody ate epan kuko. This is the remaining. This is the remaining. Epan kuko International. For those of you that don't know, this is epan kuko. I'm not sure you know. Hey guys, we are back home. I don't know why the light is like this, so let me try to clean my camera. This will never allow me to vlog in peace. But anyway, this is Emmanuel. Emanuela is over there. Esther, the birthday girl. I would have shown you guys the car, but Auntie is the prepper. Hey! Hello!
And I look so good, right? Like, I look fine. Well, you don't have to tell me, guys, because, well, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I'm sorry I don't look fine.
You guys, light is shitty, but sorry. Just manage me for some time, okay? You just want to wash plates and then I'll go upstairs. Today has been a very busy day. Actually busy. Yeah, so we are done. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, okay? Hi guys, good morning. It is Saturday, the next day. I just woke up like 10 minutes ago and I decided to just come back here because my voice has cracked a little because of yesterday's shouting and shouting and shouting. And I'm so happy that yesterday was successful. The photo shoot went well. Everything went well, and then I'm just so happy. Even though I woke up so tired, like I woke up tired. I slept by 1 a.m. this morning. And I'm awake. I'm awake, oh, you guys. I'm not happy I've not yet seen my mic. Like, it was all this. Anyway, so what is in front of me? It's chaos. I have to arrange my makeup. Like, the things I used yesterday, I couldn't arrange them yesterday because I was so tired. And I'm happy I used the table, so I just kept everything on the table. All my powders, the the combs, they're all here. Spray bottles, the lashes, everything is here. And then I want to wash today. I need to wash today. You guys, I loosened this part of my hair, like the front row, because yesterday night when I was touching it, it was looking thick. You know when, okay, only the girls will understand. You know when your hair is now old and then the base is not getting fat. I had to loosen it so that my front hair will not disappear. So I don't know if you can see it. I just braided the front after loosening it so that my hair can still be alive for me. I'm going to losing my hair today too, after washing. Okay, I wash it, losing my hair, then no, I arrange this makeup table first. Wash it, losing my hair. Beg Esther to help me lose my hair. You guys, Esther's pictures came out so beautiful, so wonderful. I'm going to leave some clips here because you're going to see this video on Sunday, and Sunday is her birthday. So happy birthday, Esther! And then please, if you guys know Esther, Esther has been so good to me and my family. Like, we have known her for 9 years. Right now, she's a sister to me and an auntie to my younger siblings, the twins, Emmanuel and Emanuela. So everybody is just so happy, and I'm happy that she has done this photo shoot because this is the first time she's doing a photo shoot, and we went all out for her. So I'm just very excited. Yeah. Make I just start because I'm a morning person. Like, I have more energy in the morning. But you see that night, evening, forget it. Forget it. And you guys, I've been drinking so much water. And then this bottle is 1,000. Well, 1,000 ml. That's 1 liter. And I love water so much. Ha! Like, I have 2 bottles. Where's the other one, safe? It's over there. To store cold water. I drink water very well. Like, I might not drink like plenty at a time, but I might sip it. Anyway, let's start clearing this place.
My blue moon, searching every corner of the world for you. I know to find you, darling. You'll be mine and I'll be yours. Finders, keepers, think I'll keep her. 1 out of a million doesn't sum it up. I trade my gold and silver for a treasure map to find your love. You're the diamond, I'm the rough. Falling sand, I'm sinking in your hourglass. Spending every second trying to pour my heart into your hands. If it's you, I'll take the chance. Think I just found my lucky charm, twist on the right kind of shooting star, down to earth. It's such an irony. Guess that's why she's my blue moon, searching every corner of the world for you. I ain't know to find you, darling. You're my rainbow, part of gold. Love the thought of growing old. Oh, lucky me, found a 4-leaf clover in a field of dreams. Swear I'll never leave her, baby. You'll be mine and I'll be yours. Finders, keepers, think I'll keep her.
Hi guys, it is evening. It is night actually, and I want to make Indomie. Okay, that is how I said what I said I'm going to do today, but my mom just scattered everything for me. I couldn't even wash again today because she was like, let's make afang soup, and she can't cut water leaf from outside. Woo. So I ate bread and egg this morning, afang and gari this afternoon, and now because I'm still extremely hungry, I want to make Indomie. Nothing so serious. So sorry about the light. Sorry about the light situation. Hopefully it's better now. I was using my front camera before, but I'm using my back camera. Funny how I can only finish this small packet of Indomie. 2 only. Not the Superman, no. Not the Superman. Not the super pack, I mean. So do you guys drain your Indomie water? Like that first water I used to boil your Indomie, do you guys drain it? Because I always drain mine. I don't know, I just feel like it's better that way. Don't mind me. It's just me being me shy. I always drain my own. Guys, I'm so tired. Tomorrow is Sunday. Esther's birthday. And it's also Easter Sunday too. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned. Happy Easter, my loves. It is Sunday and it is Easter Sunday. You guys, Jesus has risen from the dead, and that means that you now have the power over Satan and you have the dominion over the principalities and powers of this world. Okay? Let nobody ever make you feel less of yourself because you have the power of Christ. Yeah. Anyway, today is Sunday and I thought I could give you guys this vlog today, but I cannot because I'll need to edit it, put sounds, do some things, and I need the vlog to be good for you people. You know, quality should be important, right? Yeah, so I'm going to end this vlog here and I'm wishing you people a very wonderful Easter. And please wish Esther a happy birthday for me in the comment section because today is her birthday. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, I hope you found this video very wonderful. Please, I want to beg you people to please subscribe to my channel. Please share because I need to try and get up to 1,000 subscribers this year. Before the half of this year, I believe we can achieve that goal. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, like and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.